The intense and almost fierce competition for getting investment and industry into states seems to be playing out once again between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, this time with Nara Lokesh actually commenting on a news report that suggested that industry, which is tired of the infrastructure woes near the ORR or the outer ring road, is moving northwards towards Koramangala or towards the Whitefields, and in reaction Nara Lokesh suggests that come north. He is suggesting that a little more north is Anantapur district. Of course, that is from Andhra Pradesh, considered one of the driest districts of the country, and he is pitching Anantapur and saying that we are developing a world-class infrastructure for aerospace and defense industry, and therefore pitching in the sense directly that this is very close to Bengaluru as well, and therefore it could be a possible destination. This has met with a very scathing reply from Priyank Kharge, the IT Minister of Karnataka. So this is a face-off between the IT Minister of Karnataka and the IT Minister of Andhra Pradesh. And the IT Minister of Karnataka actually being very sarcastic and saying that it is not unusual for weaker ecosystems to try and live off the stronger ones. And he suggests that this is what Andhra Pradesh is trying to do. And he goes on to say that something like this ends up sounding like a weakness rather than as a strength, and he goes on to list what he calls as the strengths of Karnataka vis-a-vis and Andhra Pradesh. What he is saying is that whether it's the GDP growth of Karnataka projected to grow at 8.5% for till 2035. He is speaking about the real estate growth for this year being very high. He is talking about international reports which are pitching Bengaluru as one of the top cities in terms of economic growth over a long period of time, and pointing out that that is the destination to be in. It is one of the fastest growing cities in the world, in fact, and therefore not having competition in the neighborhood, in the backyard itself. The last comment is the most scathing of all perhaps, where Priyank Kharge is asking almost rhetorically, what do you call organism that tries to live off another organism or species, and suggesting that it is a parasite, that Andhra Pradesh is being a parasite vis-a-vis Karnataka. But what I must point out is that this is of course at one level healthy competition between two states trying to pitch their own state as destination. Just a few days ago, about 2 weeks ago, we saw Blackbuck Logistics firm CEO and co-founder tweeting about moving out of ORR because of infrastructure issues and delays in employees getting to their place of work or getting back home. And subsequently, Nara Lokesh had kind of pitched Visakhapatnam, welcoming the logistics major to come and set up shop there, suggesting that it is suitable in many ways, including climate and kind of an ecosystem, and also being one of the safest cities for women. And that was met with a very sharp response from Priyank Kharge, who had again pitched that Karnataka is far ahead and there is no competition, while admitting that there are certain infrastructure woes and issues, but that those were being addressed by their own government. So I must point out that while Bengaluru is far ahead in terms of industry, investment, and the kind of an economic ecosystem that it has, Andhra Pradesh certainly trying to make its effort to try and pitch itself there, something that Nara Lokesh's dad Chandrababu Naidu did in his first term as Chief Minister, 95 or second term as well, till he was Chief Minister in 2004. He was always pitching Hyderabad against a Bengaluru, which was even at that time far ahead in terms of the software, exports and IT industry, and yet he kept pitching Hyderabad. And perhaps that brings in a recall value, because when anyone is looking at destinations, possible destinations, when you speak about Bengaluru and then the second choice that comes about, or it comes to mind at least, if not for other logistic reasons, that there is an Anantapur which is close by, or there is a Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh which is promising a good ecosystem for investment. So in that sense, it's a strategy by Nara Lokesh, who does know fully well that Bengaluru is far ahead, but no, he is not going to spare any effort to push his own state for investors to come in and put their money. Thanks so much for watching. We will continue to update you on the kind of competition between states on this kind of an economic environment, which should be considered a healthy kind of an ecosystem in the country, which each state pitching its own positives before possible investors.